Oh my God. Well, guess who it is? Your boy, Mo Dodge, Mo Moss. And guess where I'm at? Doing another modification. I told you guys to stay tuned, man. I always got something going on, you know. But for right now, for you enthusiasts out there who have your Scat Packs, Hellcats, and even your RTs, you may run across that screeching noise or some type of clicking noise or something that sounds loose as if it's some type of panel, only to find out it's your actuator clinking and clanking, especially when you do a mid-muffler delete or some type of modification to your exhaust. So what I have decided to do, guys, was get this. There you go. You see that? I decided to get a mid-muffler delete actuator simulators. I think that's what they call them now. Now these ones are a little different than the ones I had before, where you can actually, it has a housing that you can actually place the actuator back in place. Let me show you. Stand by.
Working all day all night 네가 말한 대로 나는 될 거야 랩스tar Working for a bill 더 늘어나는 팀 네가 싫어하던 게 늘어나 Living more life better life 또 따라오는 사랑은 나 thanks to the God 한 개만은 밭도 넘어지면 다시 일어나서 세상에
So guys, as you can clearly see, this is your actuator. Okay, it's attached to your exhaust, and it regulates the flow of air in your exhaust with a flap that's hinged inside. So for those who don't know, if you are doing the mid-muffler, actuator, I can't even talk right now. The actuator delete, okay? Remember that when you take off your actuator, which is this, be careful not to let that prong come out because it's hard to put back. You can clearly see I have it hanging. I haven't even detached it. But when it's off, it's open. Remember that. So let me show you. For those who may not understand, here is your delete. As you can see, it's already in place. So that kind of lets you know that this needs to be turned right. This is left, this is right. Left, right. Right meaning it's open. As you can see, it's already in place. So when you place this on here, get it on there, so I gotta put it on. It should be a snug fit. Alright? It should be a snug fit. Just so you guys know. So it's on. I'm using one hand. Okay, snug fit, right? So they come with parts like these right here. You place these here. Okay. And here go the parts right there. Got extra screws and stuff. We'll see how they work out, because they didn't come with instructions, mind you. And mind you, I got this, guess where? Off of Walmart, dude. Only because they had blue. If you Google the actuator delete simulator, they have a host of them. They got red, black. I chose blue because that's my theme. And they were the only ones that had it. Now the shipping was fairly quick. Yeah, it's fairly quick. So I'm going to get an 8 Ratchet Wrench to make sure this is in good. I mean, even though I hand tighten it, it's good, but I just want to make sure that it's an actual, let's see. Yeah, I better get a wrench. Alright, so stay tuned, guys, and I'll show you the finished product. Like I said, this will just go on top of here. Alright, and it'll stay in place right there. I'm just going to hold it in place. And you see it'll just remain like that. Alright? So it's going to trick the actuator into thinking that it's doing its job by just staying in this little slot right there. But for the most part, that's it. I'll show you the finished product once I'm done. Alright, good. So, I don't know if you can see that. What I need to add to this is that once you put this back, you take the spring out. The spring is no longer needed because it has these placeholders in place that replicates the spring. And also the screws that held this together are no longer needed. They give you additional screws, including these right here for the new screws to be, to hold the actuator in place. So it's a snug fit. Let me finish this one up and we'll see what it sounds like. Stay tuned. So for example, just give you an idea. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is that? There it is. Okay, so I didn't even unplug it, but as you can see, the spring, just pop that out like so. This will just pretty much go over here on top like so, and you just use the screws with the special key. They don't give you the type of Allen key that you need, but I'm about to show you as soon as I can find the part size. I think it's I don't know if you can see that. Focus. I don't know if you can see that. I can't even see it. Look like a S7 or S2. Anyway, it's a special Allen key. This is a special one, but it fits right snug into the that right there. You just have to, see if you have one of those Allen key sets. But yeah, I can't even see this. Focus. H3, that's what it is. It's upside down. Look at that there. Let's see. Focus. There we go. S2H3 Allen key. And that with a 10 ratchet and an 8 ratchet. And that's all you need, man, to get this thing off. Alright? Stay tuned, guys. Almost done. Well, guys, just for an update, just wanted to let you know. So, it worked. You saw what I just did as far as the actuator delete simulator goes. Fairly simple. Easy to do, and it corrected that rattling noise, which is annoying because you can hear it more so as a drone inside the car as opposed to someone on the outside listening in their car. You definitely hear it, but for 99 bucks on Walmart, Amazon, Google, it's worth the purchase for peace of mind. Now you can jerry rig it with some zip ties. I wouldn't advise doing it, but there are YouTube videos out there to do it. So hope you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and again, more Dodge, more mods, you know what it is.